Yeah, guys, the team out. When there? Where's Jay? Jay, make them see what go on.
Yeah, man, me here.
Huh?
Here.
Yeah, man, Mr. Shyman here, guys. You don't know, it's a good feeling, you know, first day of school, new school for the little one. But all me I see are younger kids. Rashi? No? Huh?
I don't know. When I was told
You see how she get frustrated when she don't want to look at her, guys. Show your face. What you feeling? What a rushing flight and nearly run late.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So this morning is back to school, right, for Jaden. And look here, Ozzy driving him to school. So, you know, after today we can maybe ask Jaden how it is different in Richmond Hill versus Vaughan. So it is first day going to another school here in Canada. So we can see how it go. We'll just show you the road, you know, and show you what going in a van. Hope you enjoy this vlog.
Big up on yourself. You don't know, guys, you know me a weatherman already. So the place cool and nice. Them time I'm over the year. Autumn time, you know, leaving from summer into autumn. Winter not so bad, but autumn are the best time of the year, guys. Place cool, you even start feel cool, look fresh. You know, this are the nice time of the year. Show them how to go on the road. No, them man can't drive in, man. They need a training wheel. Yeah, guys, the team out. When there? Where's Jay? Jay, make them see what go on.
Yeah, man, me here.
Huh?
Here.
Yeah, man, Mr. Shyman here, guys. You don't know, it's a good feeling, you know, first day of school, new school for the little one. So we just roll out. You know which part we go?
Go on that side.
On the other side, right? Because, guys, as we are saying, be younger kids, we are see a lot of younger kids now. You know, so it's not this side, so we're going to walk around the other side to show you what's going on, right?
So guys, at work here, Jaden going in grade 8, and this is like the final grade for elementary. So them call it elementary, so him they are the biggest grade. And then after this is high school. High school starts at grade 9 here.
Okay, so is it, no, it's middle school.
No, they call it public school here.
Public
Just
school.
elementary public school in going.
Okay, so when in US and another country they call it middle school?
I guess so. But them don't split them from grade 1 come straight up to grade 8.
Okay, it's middle school. Yeah, it's middle school.
Okay.
Guys, boy, I don't know what go on with wifey and so she go on. A middle school, 7 and 8 grade, a middle school. How long are you in Canada? 1 month? Guys, she go like she in Canada 1 month now, you know? Huh?
Anyone with the orange vest to be able to help you.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, back at the school. Yeah.
Hi, how are you? You know, what grade?
Okay guys, so today really is a registration day, look like. Get yourself acquainted.
I have the full list, so come in, I'll show you which.
Get yourself acquainted and know what's going on, right? Wow, look at the crowd and the line up. But all me I see are younger kids. Rashid? No? Huh?
I don't know. When I was told that
You see how she get frustrated when she don't know. Look at her, guys. Show your face.
I don't know.
Yeah, we're seeing mostly younger kids. Guys, look at all the younger kids getting ready for their first day. All the younger kids there. You can imagine how excited they are. Go back to school for go ramp and chat and go on with one whole problem. From a long summer, 2 months, and you're back, socialize, integrate.
But look at your son. He's new to the school and
they're already making friends. Look at him around there. Chatting away. Okay, so it's at the front. Okay, guys, so we end up walk all the way around the school. Yeah, guys, so yeah, these are bigger kids, guys. You see that? Bigger kids, bigger kids. Yeah, yeah. Yeah? Yeah, guys, so time to let go.
Guys, he doesn't need me. He's just here to see if everything goes smooth with him, like administrative wise.
See Jaden there already chatting and, you know.
Everybody is black. Black is the new thing.
Yeah. Yeah, so you see all the kids them on meet and greet. Yeah, the guy asked, are you in my class? Yeah, guys, so you don't know. You leave him alone now?
Yeah, I just want to see that thing going.
Okay, so
Can go back
and everything
to work,
is good,
yeah.
right? And just
And
head
then
to
he
her.
should be fine. Yes. And pick up my boss. Giving me time off. Pick up your... Hey guys, I must say, you know that when you work with like a real Canadian boss, they're nice people. That's my experience, right? Really, really nice.
True.
I'm telling you.
I'm gonna say
he
something.
said family first. Go ahead, Rashida.
I'm going to get 3 hours somewhere.
If I need 3 hours, he said I can take it.
Yeah, guys, our boss, good like that. You know. But just looking
Overall, nice person.
yeah, guys, looking at Jay the first day just would give me some memories, remind me of school day, you know, when I was younger, how fun it was, especially when you have your gears up, you know, you look good like everybody else. It's a good feeling. You know, you're not short or nothing, so you don't feel uncomfortable. It's a good feeling, guys. And we encourage all parents out there, have one child like we are, if you have 3 or 4. You know, try your best and see what you can do to make them look good, you know what I say, because that's all a part of the process as well. If your kids grow up, it's not just them amongst you and that's it. Make them look good when time comes to look good, you know?
Feel a part of.
Yeah, man, make them feel a part.
Of belonging, you know?
Yeah, man, guys. So go on easy, but I like the weather though, the weather nice.
Nice.
Guys, nice community. Really nice community. And he will be taking the school bus.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's quite a distance from home. Not walking distance.
Guys, see Jaden over there.
Yes.
Checking if his name is on the list so he can be registered. Jay, you're on the list? You're on the list? Jada feel. Anyway, you're gonna make friends, Jada. No.
I'm still the same. Still come up for break time.
Huh? Say that again?
Come up for break time.
Yeah, it doesn't matter which class you're in, right? It doesn't matter which class you're in. Does she want to go to school with him? Your time done.
Different time of it. Them too hyped up.
Oh, what time did hype up to now?
I went to Holy Child. Yeah.
Oh no, your time did boring. Guys, she went to hold the childhood. So you see we gone now. Why if you gone left them? He'll be fine, guys. New school, new environment.
No matter of fact,
Nothing
not
to worry
even
about.
necessarily want us here, but because he knew me, I have to make sure that everything go right. So that's why I'm here.
Are you just enough and just can't
No.
leave the youth for just go enjoy himself first day?
Oh no.
Guys, yeah, it feels good to capture the first day.
Look here. Everybody knows say from long time. Who know me from Jamaica know that when Jada was in primary school, I am not the parent who love to run go inside. No. I drop off and go because I have a life outside of my child, right?
Yeah, that's how I go for real?
Yes, me have a life, an active work life from ever since.
Guys,
So-
if she try get a jacket or a shoes with Jada and can't get it, she'll want to cry.
Yeah, that different because I want him to have everything what I think him need to have.
Okay.
But like with the school, I'm not one of those moms. No.
Alright, guys. So you don't know. Thanks for tuning in. You know? Big up on yourself every time. Straight up. Rashi and Wally Vlogs.
You look like you're married. You're married. Better me. You get a better mixer so you don't want to lift them in school.
Right, so not true?
No. Guys, we know say from see the type of kids like it mixed, we know that Jada prefer this school than the school in Richmond.
Yeah, for real. It's
Yeah.
just now, you have to make sure say maintain
But guys,
the work, the academics
like for
need to
me,
be up.
peer pressure there, so
Yeah,
my
so
God.
Is there a job
These
now?
kids in Vaughan, they be bling.
Yeah, so it's our job now to be on his case and make sure.
I'll be on his ass, guys.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
do some work. Out again, out. We're gone. See you
Bye
in the next
guys, I'll
vlog.
see you later on.
See you guys in the next vlog.